My name's Charlie Brown. I'm from Auckland, but I've been in Christchurch about 6 years now. Just graduated from University of Canterbury in forestry science and started this job about 4 months ago. In my spare time, I mostly ski during the winter. Weekends, I'll be in Christchurch going to live music gigs. I love about my job, it's great fitness. I've seen parts of Canterbury I've never seen before. You work quite closely with a good group of people. Since you're outdoors the whole time, you feel like during the week is a bit of your weekend really, because you're always out doing things and seeing the outdoors and getting some sun. Undoubtedly the physicality. It's one of the most physical jobs I've ever had, but I guess that's the downside and the upside. You know, you're out here working your body every day, but you're also, your fitness is up. I'd say the new skills that I've learned on the job would mostly be management and working with other people, knowing how to work as a team. A lot of the way it's how to work with my body. I've seen adventure sports such as like skiing and skating and all those sort of things. I find myself better at them because I'm more in tune with my body and how to work. I'd say that'd be seeing the sun come up every morning in a new location and seeing more of the country. It is really a beautiful country and it's made me appreciate New Zealand a lot more. Favourite work site's got to be Lake Coleridge. We were working in Alpine Canterbury, just surrounded by mountains, the ranges with the snow, and big old open lake there as well was magic. Oh, they're all good, I mean, everyone's from a different walk of life, everyone's got a different story. That's one of the coolest parts of the job is, we've got boys from all around the world, every other continent, and yeah, everyone's got great stories, man. Do some exercise before you come, get your body ready. Don't come in with too many expectations, because it's not what you expect no matter what you read or what you see. Get ready to enjoy it, it'll be good fun. It's tough and it's challenging, and the first 2 weeks you'll be wondering why you did it, but after that you realise your body starts to get more attuned and you just start to really enjoy it.